So hi guys, this is Arvind from Admission Desk. So in this video, we are going to talk everything about RV College of Engineering. Okay, everything means yes. So about college overview, connectivity, eligibility, program offered and fees, entrance overview, whether it is COMEDK or Kcet. Okay, selection process, cutoff marks, placement, hostel fees, and direct admission through management quota. If you want direct admission in anywhere in Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, in India, you can call me on the number given on the screen. We are helping. Okay. Thank you guys. Let's move ahead. What about RV College? So established in 1963. Yes, that is very old college. Mysuru Road, Bangalore, Karnataka. Private engineering college. Okay. Yes, this is autonomous college and MAC A plus grade. The campus size is around 16 to 20 acres. So yes, the campus is not that much big, but college name brand is huge. They are very much into innovations. Okay. What about connectivity? The airport is around 45 kilometers away and railway station is around 5 kilometers. Okay. And KSR Bangalore city section is around 12 kilometers. So Bangalore is a metro city. So you are not going to face any problem in terms of connectivity. So there are metro, city buses, everything when you want. What would be the eligibility? So minimum, you have to pass 12th examination with 50% aggregate in physics, chemistry, math. What that means is you need to get 50 plus 50 plus 15 PCM, okay? This is the aggregate. In English is not the issue or your local language. For STSC candidate, Karnataka candidate, 45% will also do, okay? Now, what exam they are accepting? So KCET or COMEDK. We are going to talk about this later in this video in detail, okay? They may accept JEE Main, but I would recommend you to go for the KCET and COMEDK, okay? Because JEE Main, there is no guarantee they will accept. How you can get admission? So there will be entrance exam, whether it's KCET or COMEDK, and counseling. Yes, I'm going to tell you everything in this video later. What the program they are offering with fees? So yes, they are offering like engineering in CSC, AIML, data science, IT, ECE, mechanical, civil, aerospace. Okay. But the catch is if you will see, if you are coming up through government quota in Karnataka, KCT exam, the fee would be around 1,07,000 to 1,15,000 per year. But if you are giving COMEDK exam, the fees would be around 2,60,000 to 2,70,000 per year. Okay, so COMEDK is for all India and KCT Karnataka is for only Karnataka students. Got it, guys? Or it be the eligibility for management quota. In 10th standard, 70% in science and math exam. Okay. So 70% in science and math, guys. Remember it, not overall. Like you need to get 70 out of 100 in math and 70 out of 100 in science. 11, 65 out of 100 in math and physics. And 12th, 60% in physics and math. Okay. So this is a eligibility for management quota. If you see the fees for CS and related specialization would go around 55 lakh rupees to 75 lakh rupees for 4 years. That would be on paper fees, okay? On paper I'm talking about. So if you see the fees like through COMEDK and KCT, that was around maximum 2 or 3 lakh rupees per annum. But here the fees is going around 15 to 20 lakh rupees per annum, guys. Okay, this is only for tuitions. Rest specialization, you can see the fees over here. I have got all these things from RV College page only, so you can also verify on your own before believing it. Okay. The COMEDK exam. So COMEDK is for all India quota. Okay, so 3 hours exam, 180 questions, 60, 60, 60 from PCM each. Okay, plus 1 for correct answer. There will be no negative marking. Admission for B and BTech. Got it? Now, what about KCET? KCET for Karnataka students who has the domicile of Karnataka. So, yes, Karnataka 1 hour 20-minute examination, 180 questions, 60 from each. Yes, you'll get around minutes for 180 questions, okay? That is pen and paper exam. So, you need to be more focused. What would be the syllabus? So, syllabus would be for both, for COMEDK and KCET will be almost same, okay? So, physics, mathematics, and chemistry, I have given the topic over here. You can pause the video and watch it, okay? What would be the cutoff marks? So, for computer engineering, KCT, there would be the rank 150 to 400, and for COMEDK, 300 to 900 rank. And the rest you can see on the screen by pausing the video. What would be the selection process? For selection, you need to go for the entrance exam first, then appear for the examination, then rank published, okay? Then go for the counseling, like choose for the specialization you want, choice filling, okay? And the seat allotment will be there. Then get your document verified and fees payment and get your admission done. For management quota, there would be direct admission. Fees I have told you earlier. You can call us. So yes, highest placement is around 67 LPA. Average is around 15K aspas. Okay? Median is around 10 and 190 to 250 around company visited here. Placement rate is 90% plus. That is very good. Then miss. Okay, so there will be one 1,55,000 to 2,55,000 fees for both, for accommodation and food. Now, if you want direct admission anywhere, any college, you can call me on the number. You can also communicate through mail. We will help you. So I hope, guys, you have got to know everything. If you have any other query, you can comment on the comment section. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.